The 2026 Suzuki Scrambler DR4Sc arrives as one of Suzuki's most stylish and character-packed machines, capturing the classic spirit of the DR series while embracing today's technology. It's a motorcycle built for riders who want versatility, personality, and a touch of nostalgia wrapped in a modern chassis. One glance is enough to see that Suzuki intentionally created a retro-inspired scrambler with a bold identity. Its design immediately stands out with a combination of old-school charm and factory-custom flair. The round LED headlamp and upright stance reinforce its heritage, while the yellow tank paired with a bright blue trellis frame recalls Suzuki's legendary off-road racing colors. Chunky dual-sport tires, a high-mounted exhaust shield, and exposed frame lines add to its purposeful, adventurous look. This is not just another urban scrambler, it's a bike that visually communicates toughness and readiness for mixed terrain. Under the tank sits Suzuki's proven mid-displacement twin, tuned specifically for scrambler duty. The focus is on torque and usability, giving the rider instant pull in low to mid RPMs, perfect for short bursts in the city or climbing up loose gravel trails. The revised mapping makes the throttle response smoother and more precise, while the redesigned exhaust keeps emissions modern and the sound characterfully raspy. The DR4Sc features long travel suspension, multi-surface tires, and comfortable upright ergonomics. The combination offers predictable handling on the street and enough compliance for unpaved roads. A wide, cushioned saddle enhances long ride comfort, and the side-mount luggage options add practicality for weekend exploration. Despite its classic look, the bike comes equipped with essential modern technology, LED lighting, ABS, traction assistance, and a compact digital display. These features ensure safety and convenience without interrupting the Scrambler's minimalist style. The 2026 Suzuki Scrambler DR4Sc is a well-balanced blend of rugged style, approachable performance, and everyday versatility. With its charismatic retro design and modern engineering foundation, it stands as one of Suzuki's most engaging new models, perfect for riders who want a motorcycle with personality that's ready for both street and dirt adventures.